Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and this is going to be the part one of my dining room project. So what it is right before the pre-pandemic that was going on, I started working on my dining room. As you can see from the floor, I ripped up the carpet and I installed a cherry wood flooring, and then I painted the walls and had put up a new ceiling fan. Now I'm deciding now that it's going to change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the blinds, a new ceiling fan, repaint the walls white again. And what I'm also going to do is put in, I also put in ceiling speakers for stereo surround sound, as you can see. I'm also going to be putting in a new vent, which is getting kind of old and dark, and that needs to change out as well. So there you go. So if you want to keep up, see what I'm doing for my dining room, I can go ahead and put it in the comments. And there we go. My dining room project, part one.